Okay, so now Dr. Nettles is going to show you how to do lateral lung sounds, and you always have to compare apples to apples. So we know that we have 2 lobes on the left because the heart occupies space, and we have 3 lobes on the right because there is no heart there. So we start on the left with the left upper, which is in the mid-axillary line, so right in the armpit. So in a whole breath sequence, now she's going to compare that to the right upper. So now the third sound you're going to hear is the right middle lobe. And you can see that this is in the anterior axillary line. So you can see how that lobe is isolated and it's more forward. So she's going to listen to that one. Now we're going to go to the lower lobe on the right side. So that's your next one. And now she's going to compare it to the orange over here, which is your left lower lobe, and it's in the mid axillary line. So you can see how you go back and forth, and just always remember, listen for a whole respiratory cycle. Don't move your stethoscope too early. Compare apples to apples and oranges to oranges, and make sure that you remember that there are 3 lobes on the right because there is no heart there, and 2 lobes on the left. Thank you.